In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your calendar from Google Calendar, a very handy skill if you're looking to back up your events, switch to another calendar service, or simply keep a personal copy of your schedule. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar by typing calendar.google.com into the address bar. Once there, proceed to sign in with your Google account if you're not signed in already. You should now be looking at your Google Calendar interface, which displays all your scheduled events and appointments. Next up, let's head over to the settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a familiar symbol that looks like a gear. Go ahead and click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. It's nice to have everything you've ever planned or marked down just a few clicks away, right? Now you're in the Settings menu, ready to make adjustments or changes to your calendar preferences. After you've accessed the settings, you'll want to focus on your specific calendar settings. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with various options. Under the section named Settings for My Calendars, you'll find a list of all the calendars available to you. Identify the calendar that you wish to export and click on it. This will open up all the settings related to that particular calendar. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, exporting your calendar. Only a little more to go, and you'll have your calendar data saved. Scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Export Calendar. Clicking on it will initiate the export process. What happens next is that a .zip file will be downloaded straight to your computer. The .zip file contains an essential file format known as the .ics file, which is essentially your entire calendar compacted into a neat little package. This file can now be saved as a backup or imported into another calendar app that supports .ics format. It's a universal format that's accepted by most calendar applications, making it highly versatile for whatever your next step might be. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Google Calendar, securing your data and making it flexible for use in other applications. Remember that this file holds a copy of your important schedules and meetings, so keep it somewhere safe. Feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to export your calendar in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough has helped you. I'll see you next time for more useful tech tips.